guys and welcome back to my channel. This is CryptoHatsy. For today's video, I'm going to share you another AI platform called Hitchfield. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for review and entertainment only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right now guys, Kling 3.0 is getting a scene. So the era of the AI directory, some people are still waiting for this update on Hitchfield. You can sign up using my link on the description down below guys. Okay, so this is the new about this Kling 3.0, the model unifying world-class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine. It has an enhanced audio generation, multi-shots narratives, directional physics, and native 4K cinematic workflow guys. So the next frontier, Kling 3.0 extended cinematic pacing, is rumored to support native generation of up to 15 seconds. This enables creators to move from 5 seconds clips to fuller narrative ARCs guys. Absolute subject consistency, utilizing an extended context with window 2.6 generates up to 15 seconds of the video without improved temporal degradation, keeping objects stable over time. Intelligent scenes reasoning, new model expected to offer reasoning based editing, allowing you to modify videos through natural language. The community, over 15 million, is taking advantage of this kind of platform guys. They are also waiting for the Kling 3.0 to come out guys. Some of them said that it's become my go for quick creative work, and some save me a ton of time by using this platform guys. So enter the new era Kling AI creative engine and join the waitlist guys. Just click here or click on the link on my description down below. So expectation from Kling 3.0 AI, user discussion analysis. While Kling 3.0 has not been released yet, current signals suggest it marks the next major step toward professional AI video generation. Kling 3.0 is expected to evolve into a production-ready video system that brings generation, transformation, and consistency in a unified workflow guys. So right now, if you generate a video guys, you can only use Kling 2.6. Okay, after the release guys, you will see the 3.0 right here at the Kling section when you create your own video guys. So Kling 3.0 was the unified model signals for the next phase of every video and what to possibly expect when it releases guys. So some disclaimer that Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet. So this post is based on publicly available updates, launch patterns, and community analysis guys. Okay, so everything points to Kling 3.0 launching soon. Observe the platform behavior and some features alignment indicate the Kling Video 3.0 is moving towards a single tightly integrated video generation architecture. So the Kling Motion Control and Kling 2.6 and Kling 0.1 will be upgraded on 3.0 guys. The signal pointing towards a unified Kling Video 3.0 model. Multiple public signals suggest the Kling Video 3.0 is designed as an end-to-end AI video generation platform rather than a collection of separate tools. The range of workflows, a shift towards tighter integration between different videos, creation stage rather than isolated generation steps. So reduce separation between initial video creation, transformation, and refinement workflows, increasing overlap between generation, continuity control, and scene level adjustment. So movement towards a more cohesive and end-to-end creative process instead of fragmented tools. So longer formats guys, another clear trend is the shift away from short outputs toward generation that sustain continuity over longer time spans. Kling 3.0 expected by user to maintain or maintain temporal coherence and visual stability, character consistency. It has a structure multi-scene generation, upgraded, subject consistency, mapping existing Kling releases to Kling 3.0 capability. So what to possibly expect from Kling 3.0? All currently available Kling models, Kling 01, Kling 2.6, and Kling Motion Control are already usable on Highfield, allowing creators to experiment with existing workflows while anticipating how these features may evolve in Kling 3.0. It has a native 4K and high frame rate AI video, also regional in painting, improved physics and character integration, and longer AI video generation duration. Okay? A step towards professional grade AI video creation from a broader industry perspective. The trajectory of Kling Video 3.0 reflects a larger shift on how AI video tools are evaluated and adopted, guys. It has a fastest creative iteration speed. Another important implication is the potential impact on creative iteration speed, guys. Okay? So this is the explore Kling's current best video tools and see how you already fit in real creative workflow. So try it now, guys. And then after the Kling 3.0 has been released, I will update again and show it to you how it's done. So if you have more questions, please feel free to comment down below, like this video, share it to your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. So again, this is Crypto Hasi. Bye bye.